Well, we're in Williams, Arizona, and we thought we were only going to be here one day, but
we are actually on Route 66. I can't believe it. We didn't even know.
Right, and we've always wanted to do a video about Route 66 and check out the cool stuff.
It's going to be really fun. So here we are, here to see Grand Canyon, but guess what we're doing today? Actually staying longer so we can do this.
Right. Let's go check out the historic town of Williams, Arizona, and Route 66.
Sounds good. Oh, and by the way, I just tried this Spindrift sparkling water, and it's made with brewed tea and fresh lemon, and it's really good. I like it.
Can I have a sip?
Okay. No backwash.
Chug.
And let's go.
I'm Tom.
And I'm Cheri.
And we're EnjoyTheJourney.Life.
We are in Williams, Arizona.
On historic Route 66.
Yep, so come along and we're going to show you a great time. Woo!
Yeah.
Wisdom to show for all my years. For a fair price, I'll share some with you.
Will COVID be over this year? We'd like to know. Sweet.
Grand Canyon RV Railroad.
Okay.
Are you enjoying it?
We are. It's loud.
It's what?
It's loud because we back right up to the railroad.
We're getting the
That's
same
where we
thing.
are. How much do you love cooking in an RV?
Oh, that's great. That reaction, that's like...
She said today, we've been having a lot of leftovers, Mom. I'm like, yep.
Yep, enjoy them. Hope you love them. Yeah.
So are you guys like full-time, part-time?
We are full time. We sold our house in September and then hit the road September 30th. And
Wow.
so we've been on the road since then.
So how are the kids
Congrats.
loving
It's good at sometimes, and other times just like this small space gets to
it?
it.
That's how I feel. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes, some mornings I wake up and I'm like, oh, this is the greatest. I'm so grateful. This is so
Yeah.
much fun.
Yeah.
And then some days I'm like, I don't want to do this anymore. I'm done. I'm done with this.
That range sounds about for
It was last week. I want to go home.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hey, it was so nice to
It was
meet
nice
you
to
guys.
meet you.
What are your names now?
I'm Christy.
Christy
Ron.
and Ron?
Christy and Ron.
And Allie, Abby, and Caleb.
What
Okay.
was your name again?
Abby.
Abby and Caleb. Oh, it's
Yeah.
nice meeting you.
It was very nice to meet you.
We're on Instagram as the Everwells.
Okay.
Their
Okay.
last name is Everard, and we're Wells.
So
Oh, cute.
Nice. A little
That's cool.
combination. I
Yeah.
love it. So, we did a little researching on where to eat here in Williams on Route 66, and I came up with this historic brewing company. It looks like their burgers and fries are delicious, and they have lots of beer, which Tom loves.
Is it beer 30 already?
I think so. Well, it says $3.50, so sure.
All right. I thought you were taking us to the Red Garter up
Ooh,
there.
bound chicka bound bound. Is that why you're so excited?
Date night, right?
Well, let's go get some burgers.
It sounds good.
And beer.
Oh, sweet.
Perfect.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
All the good choices.
Yeah, that color palette is perfect.
It is.
Yeah, thank you for labeling all of that.
Absolutely, no problem.
Saving me the work.
Yep. All right, so we did all the different IPAs. That's going to be 1 through 4 for you. And then I did 2 of our top selling beers. This is going to be our #1 selling beer. It's a cherry vanilla porter. And then this is a classic German alt beer. So like it's an amber. Very easy to drink, malty. Has a lager ale hybrid base. And that beer is a lot of fun. So gave you some of our top sellers as well.
Awesome. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. Do you need anything else?
That should do it.
All right, perfect.
Well, this is awesome. She picked out a list of beers for me, so I didn't have to do anything. This is a Pilsner.
I got the bacon blue burger. And it's got sauteed onions on it. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this. It looks so good.
Awesome.
That is so good.
I got the same burger without the bun, partly because I got a few pounds to lose, but also it's a little better for my diabetic needs. Take less insulin. It's the best part of the burger. Oh, that's good. That is really good.
I usually don't get the bun. And that's how Tom learned how to do it. But today I got the bun. Gotta treat yourself, right? Treat yourself.
Not bad to start out this meal. Let's hope it stays that way.
I only ate half, so that counts for something, right? And I didn't eat my fries.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Yeah, you go right ahead. I'm saving room for pie. Because there's a place on here that's known for their pie, so we're going there next.
I'll pass on the pie. That won't be good for the blood sugar. This is a shame. But I will be a blathering idiot if I drink all of that and we go out and try to record. I don't know that I qualify for this. Beards this way, does this count? I don't know.
So this is the ladies' bathroom, but this is all the single ladies. Where am I supposed to go? Oh wait, I'm single. There's no ring.
You having a private store tour there?
It's a private store.
What? Special. She was so sweet.
That's cool.
Yeah, it was like a private shopping experience.
I told my wife, I go, you know what? We're gonna run into them when we're out and about.
Yeah. And here we are.
Yeah, what's your name?
Israel.
Israel, nice to meet you.
Tom.
Right, yeah.
How are you?
That was so cool. You just walked right in front of us. We're like, wait a minute.
And what's your name?
Rachel.
Rachel. Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. Rachel, Israel,
And our daughter Aaliyah.
Aaliyah.
Nice to
Okay,
meet
great to meet you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love running into people that watch us.
we
so
love
this
it.
is awesome.
Yeah.
We don't get starstruck, but with you
That's
guys,
awesome.
You guys
Thank
love,
you.
You guys love
Because we're
exactly
just
what we love.
we're just like normal people, and some people are like, oh my, and it's like, no, please don't do
Yeah.
that.
Well, we've learned a lot. I mean,
Yeah, thanks for all that you guys do.
Oh, thank you. Our Grand Canyon tips here, right?
Yeah. So go early, and what else?
Stay on the right-hand side.
Stay on the right-hand side.
Okay.
That's great.
Keep right. All right. Great to meet you guys. Yeah, safe travels. Take care.
This is the second sign we've seen. Driving the wrong way.
That's for tourists, for sure.
So here we are at Pine Country Restaurant, and this is the place that I was talking about that is supposed to have good pies. I looked at them online, and they are like twice the height of normal pies. So maybe we'll let Tom have a couple bites. Come on, Tom. Okay, let's get one peanut butter and one grasshopper.
And one grasshopper.
Yeah. So Tom's drug me out on this amazing, supposedly amazing hike. And so we go onto this off-road and it says like 10 more miles.
Yeah, it's a pretty rough road, actually. It's worse than boondocking in Sedona.
Yeah, but you said
actually.
that this is supposed to be an amazing hike with a lot of waterfalls and it's only a half mile. So like, why not? Let's go do this. So.
And one thing with having a Jeep, you never have to worry about what kind of road you're gonna face.
Yeah. Pretty convenient.
Yeah.
We love it. And somebody asked if we missed the Prius. I laughed.
Maybe at the fuel pump once in a while.
But yeah, no, we don't miss the Prius.
Well, let's go see some waterfalls.
Let's do it. Looks like a huge gorge.
Yeah.
What?
I hear the water.
I hear water. Oh, this is cool.
How close are you going to get to that edge?
Oh, you know me. Not.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Whoa.
We found a waterfall. Well, you can tell by the way it's worn how raging the water must get, you know, when in the wet season.
To typically talk about the weather because I know you guys don't care, but the weather's perfect today.
But look at all that snow.
Yeah, and it's what, 70 degrees out here?
Yeah, very comfortable.
Light, just a light breeze. It's so nice. Trees. I've missed trees. Being in the desert, I've missed trees. See all these green tall trees? It's like,
And a prickly pear out here as well, but it's not doing too well.
It looks like somebody might be camping here.
Wow, right here?
Is that a rope going down?
They're repelling.
Oh, geez.
No safety. Damn.
Oh my gosh. What? How are they going to get back up here?
Gonna crawl up that rope.
No way! That's nuts! No way could you get me to do that. Have fun!
We gotta put it on our bucket list.
Ugh.
This is a good little end to the hike.
Yeah.
Well, that was a nice short hike to get back into it. Got to get in shape. We got big hikes coming up.
I know. And this was a nice short one to kind of get back in the game. So,
yeah.
And maybe we burned enough for some pizza.
Some pizza?
For dinner.
One piece of pizza?
If we did, it was all burned in the very end. Where we were going straight up.
Just about.
Yeah, let's go get some pizza.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Ah, check this out. Our perfect spot again.
Again, always the perfect spot.
Yeah.
Love it.
Someone's droning in the no drone zone.
Who passed out on the way out?
That was me after all that beer. Hey, look, honey, it's the new Ford Bronco.
Good time, open the door. $1.
Oh.
Why are you trying to open the door, Tom? You looking for a good time? What's up?
Do you have $1 I can borrow?
This facility installed by the Stewart Jail Works company. We contract anywhere in the world.
Sheesh.
They're the jail and prison experts. They manufacture steel cells.
Are you really interested in that? Why are you interested in that so much?
Because this is what they used to manufacture for different towns. And look how like the basics of it. Tom, they have Jeeps in here. Let's go in.
Okay. I found more beer. Here comes the train. There's a lot of trains here. And we're going to take one tomorrow.
Yes, we are. We're going to go through the Grand Canyon tomorrow on a train.
That will be sweet.
Very excited. First class.
Yeah.
Can you even hear us with that train?
Yeah. Well, it's that one that probably took off this morning. Yeah, probably
Yeah.
the Grand Canyon trip.
Yep.
But first we got to fuel up with pizza.
Yes, we have to fill up with pizza. We have to replace all that energy that we burned on that crazy hike.
Yeah, it was so long. 0.8 of a mile, I think.
But it's been forever since we've had pizza, hasn't it?
Yeah, a long time.
Yeah.
And this is like well known.
Yeah.
Station 66, Italian Bistro. Cheri's creating her own pizza again.
I created my own pizza again. I always do. It's like, if we're gonna eat pizza, it's gonna be good, right? So we added, it's called the Romeo and Juliet, and it comes with pepperoni, peppers, and what else? Mozzarella. So I added, what did I add? Oh wait, no, it comes with mushrooms too and olives.
Basil.
I added fresh basil and goat cheese. So, yes. We ready to dig in?
Yeah. Well, cheers. Yum. Perfect meal after a hike. Let's try out your creation here. That's good. Need some spices.
Oh my gosh, is this one piece right here?
Yeah.
I think I'll choose that one. You've already eaten half the pizza.
What are you talking about?
Are you supposed to fold it in half to eat it?
That's what I did.
I think I will. The fresh basil and the goat cheese really make this pizza. So what I do is I pick my favorite pizza on a menu, and then I look through all the other toppings they have on other pizzas, and then see which ones I want to add to it and ask them if they can do it, and they always can. So it really makes your pizza personalized for your taste. It's awesome. Do it.
Williams is known as the gateway to the Grand Canyon, and guess what? You can take the train all the way to the Grand Canyon, and that's what we're doing today.
Watch. Wait, how am I gonna do this? Can you jump and click your heels?
Yeah. I used to be able to do a move like this. Oh.
What was that?
It's like a...
What is...
I don't know.
What's the one where people jump up and they click their heels?
Oh yeah. I can't do that. Sounds like I should get some more beer, huh?
No.
I might cut off. What are you talking about?
Cut off.
I love you.
I love you. Pain in my ass sometimes.
That's a lot of ketchup. I guess I need a spoon. That's okay. Ooh, I think I spit. What we do to get the shot.
GoPro myself.
from the start.